In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Google Sheets. Let's say you have some data that you want to have a closer look at. Let's go to the menu bar and click on View. Scroll down and you'll see Zoom. On the right side, you have the zoom percentages. You'll see that right now we're at 100%. To get a closer look on your data, let's go to 125%. Click on that. And now it's a closer view. Now let's do that again, but in a faster way. Let's go to the toolbar, and you'll find the zoom tool right here. Click on the arrow down, and you'll see the percentages. This time, let's go to 150%. And that's a closer look at your data. Now you can also input numbers between 50 to 200%. Let's put in 180. And that's how you zoom in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.